Material properties, opacity. So I'm going to go up to create. I'm going to create a material. I'm going to create a Mudbox material. And I'm going to give it a name. And I'll give it an actual name of opacity, so we know what it is. Now, we come down and click on opacity. White is actually going to cause it to be fully opaque, so it's non-see-through. So if we change the color to closer to black, black will be totally transparent. So I'm going to change it to like a dark gray, so it will be nearly transparent. All right, and so I'm going to say done. I'll close this box. And now I'm going to assign that material. So I'm going to assign an existing material. I'm going to go with the material opacity. You can see now that it's almost see-through. My object is almost see-through. If I paint on it, and I come over here and I say okay, and I come in here and paint, right? So I'm painting on my object. You can see how the object is pretty much almost see-through. All right. If I click on my opacity and I change the opacity color to a little less, you can see it's a little less see-through. And if I get up here into the black or near black, when it's black, it's totally see-through. We can't even see the object. So this will represent things like ice and glass and stuff like that. Now, a couple of things we want to take a look here with opacity is the opacity effects. Right now this effect is only happening on the diffuse only material. So the diffuse is really the base color. So it's only applying this opacity or transparency to the base color. If I change this to all channels, then it'll apply things like the specular and the gloss, so I don't get that shiny specular spot anymore. So you have the choice between all channels or just applying to the diffuse channel. So again, opacity, when it's white, it's opaque. You can't see through it at all. And when it's gray, it's somewhat transparency. When it's black, it's totally see-through. So we usually don't want that, but we want some degree of see-through glass. We want to be almost black. All right, so opacity is the ability to control the transparency of that material.